shall ensure that all Kenyan children are given equal and fair and just treatment, including those children in the slums, including those children in the far-flung arid and semi-arid areas, where we have always had affirmative action to have them in. But otherwise, the problem we are going to have, Bwana Mtalaki, is that everybody will want to go to Alliance. Every Alliance has maybe 500 slots. Everybody will want to go to Kenya High with another 500 slots, maybe another 500 for Pangani and what have you. And yet we have close to 12,000 children with over 400. What is worse, somebody will put Pangani, then put Kenya High School, then put another third one. So it's like he has lost all the opportunities. Because you are supposed to get a national school, an extra county school. But if you take all the top schools, by the time you are on the third one, then we put you where we think you can go. And then you will hear a lot of noise. But you see, it doesn't bother me because I'm not a